Jeremy is a business development associate at GTech. He holds a Bachelor of Science in International Business Administration from USIU. And Jeremy, you'll talk us through AI and business. So my first question is, how is AI used to minimize labor demands? And maybe you can begin with a general statement about leveraging AI for work.
Okay, yeah, thank you. As people graduate, they quickly find that they go into the job market and they find they're competing against hundreds of other people for the same jobs. If they're building businesses, they're competing against very many big businesses that have been in the market for decades before them. They have budgets that exceed everything you can do. And so for you to be able to enter those markets, for you to be able to apply for those jobs and get them when you're competing against many people, AI is a very useful tool in leveraging that playing field. So firstly, you can use it by minimizing labor demands. If you're a founder and you want to build your business, one of the things that you lack is funding. And so using AI, you can minimize the amount of people you have to pay to do certain tasks for you. So for example, if you want to go over legal documents, you can use AI tools such as Claude. They have a free tool called Review My Contract, which allows you to put your contract into the tool, and it'll go through the different clauses, analyze them, and it'll show potential loopholes that you need to fill in and where you may be infringing on copyrights.
Okay, Jeremy, let's imagine I have no money to hire anybody. I am just a small business person here in say Muranga, and I want to say sell clothes online. How can AI work for me?
Okay, thank you for that. So there are very many generative AI tools, and generative AI are basically AI tools which you input data, whether it's text, images, video, etc., and it'll give you results. So in the case of someone who's looking to build a business with very little income, you can first decide on what you want to do and put in the information into the AI system. So if I want to sell clothes, uh, I can give the budget I have. I can talk about the demographic that I'm trying to target, and AI, you can use the generative AI to give you a breakdown of the markets that you'll be selling to, where to source the clothes that you want to sell cheaply, and how to best market your business to reach your audience in the most effective way.
So moving from work, I mean, we need to be learning all the time, learning new skills. Maybe we hear that, say, you can, by learning this new skill, then you'll be able to do something bigger with your business. How can AI be used to perform just-in-time or just-in-time learning? And first of all, explain what is just-in-time learning.
So just-in-time learning is learning that you do on the go when you need to learn a specific skill in the shortest amount of time possible. So if you want to learn how to use a specific tool, there are AI tools such as StudyFetch, which you can put in the information about the tool that you want to learn, and it'll give you the most relevant knowledge that you would like to learn. So for example, if I want to learn about search engine optimization to be able to market my business using Google's search, and have my website, if I've created a website, if I wanted to show up at the top of the results, I'll just use the study fetch results. It'll teach me how to optimize my website, how to utilize the keywords and analyze my website so I can be able to market it in the most effective way possible.
Okay, and Jeremy, a final question. What are your go-to AI tools and how have they helped you? Mention one or two.
Okay, so I use DeepSeek if I want to get an analysis done on different functions. I use Claude if I want to be able to do some vibe coding. If I want to build a website for myself, I'll use Claude. Yeah, I think those are my two go-to AI models.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. And we'll hold questions.